what do we do now? That was the only ruby on Forge that could make the Dimensionator.
There's still one in this dimension, though. Maybe we can get... working again. Junkbot! What would it take to get your Ruby on Forge working again?
Well, there is the power issue. And with the power gone, some kind of nasty virus has infected the system. Nothing will work until it is cleared.
I think I have just the friend who can help with that. All yours, Glitch.
Time! Wait, this dimension has viruses too? This is a nuke pulse upgrade! They're flying now too? So what? They all get deleted the same way. Is that a virus? Someone has to stop them before they evolve even more. But that's not a problem here. The Rubion Forge has a clean bill of health now, so you can take over, Ratchet.
I knew you could do it, Glitch. Thank you.
Great work, Ratchu. You are all clear to power up the forge.
How do we do that?
By finding the power source. Last I saw it was down the stairs and past the pressure door, but FYI, it is a skosh spooky down there.
That's a lot of door.
This must be where they generate the Forge's power. But there is nothing here. Is Junkbot messing with us?
I don't know, but if the power source really is missing, we could grab the one in the other dimension.
The one with an entire station looking for us?
Until we have a better solution. Now, let's find us some Blizon. Is that?
It is full of Slurpeon jelly? Juice must be hungry. Quick, now is our chance to escape.
You know, for some reason, the dimension where the whole station's searching for us keeps looking better and better.
At least they have the lights on there.
What's that sound?
Just keep moving! Ratchet, I do not see Blizon anywhere. The only place left to look is through the next blast door. But it seems very locked.
What if we follow those cables above us? Maybe we can power down the locks.
I think you are right. This time.
Error. Biohazard detected.
Huh?
Amoeboids! Not again! What is with the light?
He's right there!
That is somewhat alarming.
Biohazard resolved. Systems online.
There is a research log. Let us watch.
Pilot log released.
Resuming playback on station log.
Come here! Come here! Okay, look out there. I just had to play around it. Look, you see it? How does it swim like... Is that a hello? Wait, what are you guys doing? You're hurting it.
was junk bot?
And I think he was talking about juice. Let's get out of here! The door's not opening!
The window! Try the window!
This lock's controlled by a bolt crank. Guess they didn't get around to upgrading this room.
Run!
Jelly canisters anywhere, but there are rifts.
Ratchet, escape juice using the rifts.
We'll need to time it just right. That's our cue.
Almost there.
Barna Blizon, where would I be?
Ratchet, are you okay?
Yeah. Luckily, my O2 filtrator still works. Hadn't tested it in years.
Ratchet, I have been thinking about what you said earlier about the Lombax and risking a good life. I had a good life on Savali. It was peaceful, quiet, even joyful. So when you asked to become partners, I did not want to risk things either. But I am glad I did.
Thanks, kid. That means a lot. But I'm just not sure it's...
It is okay. Now I can be the one who believes in you.
new gear? I got a special discount at 100 fathoms.
Ms. Zircon? What are you doing here?
If Zircon Jr. wants to study existential economics at Bogon University.
There is an increased magnetic field here. The power source must be nearby.
Just decorate the floor with them.
All forces, please report to the containment sector.
Internal temperature is critically low.
You are going to love your new cage. Thanks for missing anything vital. Firing on the squishy. The Lombax has a locked on.
The power source is juice?
We should free him. Look at what they put him through. No wonder he is so angry.
But
Ratchet, if we do not give him a chance, who will?
yeah, well, you're right. We'll just have to find another power source. If we survive that long. Can we come in peace, big guy? Is that a happy hiss or an angry hiss?
After the power source! It was not scheduled to have hope today!
He's helping us? He's helping us! Man, that's a relief. We've got incoming juice! You can even understand me? Finally bringing in the big guns, huh? Oh, that's a lot of big guns.
Emperor's will!
happen to know another way to power up the Rubion Forge, would ya?
Does he want us to follow him?
All teams eliminated. Power source jeopardized.
The Blizon. He wants to come with us.
Any place is better than here, right? Maybe he can help us power the forge after all. Still with us, Juice?
Come on. The Rubion Forge is upstairs.
Come on, JC! It is me! Good old JB!
Wow.
Power restored to maximum level.
Schematics uploaded.
Did it work? Woo! Yes! We did it, kid! You are a good partner.
Here is to new friends!
Looks like we just need to get back to our ship now.
Oh, this elevator can take you right back to the surface, no problems. Come back soon, Ratchet and Kittles!
Thanks, and will do. Clank! Rivet! We built the Dimensionator!
No way! Wait, we?
I knew you could do it. We have obtained the phase quartz as well.
Yeah, meet us at Zerky so we can build this thing.
Oh. How do I meet someone?
What are you talking about? You met me, and that went great.
I fell off the archives in front of you and screamed. A lot.
True. I don't know, just be friendly and open. And don't overthink it.
Don't overthink it. Okay.
Don't mind if I do. What's going on with Rivet?